So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make some stickers. So I have this A4 size paper. So let's draw some stickers. 1, 2 and 3. So I've drawn some of the images and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 stickers. Uh, so let's cut them. 1, 2, 3. So I have cut some of the stickers, not some of the all the stickers, and I'm gonna show you some stickers that I have made. Okay, so I'm arranging it. Okay, so I have those. So I have a pollen, I have a flower one, I have two flowers, a donut, a flight, a Zoe from K-pop Demon Hunters, and some cute girls, and of course a boba. How can I forget it? So these are some of the stickers. Okay, so I'm taking a wallpaper, so I will stuck it and cut it. So not I'm gonna cut it first, I'm gonna stick it. So I have stuck some of the stickers. You can see them, they're so good, they're looking awesome. So I have these stickers and I have stuck them on the wallpaper. So I'm gonna cut it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So I've cut it all the stickers and I'm gonna arrange them. So I'm arranging it. One. So from K-pop Demon Hunters, you know that my favorite sticker is Zoe from K-pop Demon Hunters, and a flight, the flight one, that is my most favorite, and also the aesthetic girl who's wearing a top, black top. So I'll show you. Wait a second. A boba, and all the girls will drink boba. 1, 2. This, the one wearing the whole jeans and the black top. So I'm gonna show you how to use them. So you have to just peel it, and your sticker is ready, and you have to stick it anywhere you want. So I'm struggling, I cannot find the point in which I can do it. Okay, I've done. So I have some silver. No, I can see some of the silver. Yes, the silver one is the sticking part. You have to just peel it and then you're done. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.